Hello, my beauties. I know I look a fright today, but I wanted to get this out there. I just started getting the Target boxes because I wasn't able to get them before because it said it wouldn't do here. Well, I tried it again and I finally got one. So I have mine. And then I was also able to get one for my husband. So we're going to unbox both. But we're going to start with mine. And that's how it arrives. And you get this card. And just tells you a little bit like, with summer, beat the frizz. Then on the other side, it has what you get in the box and some tips on how to use the stuff, and a $3 off coupon when you buy $15 or more in the cosmetic, skincare, or hair care. And it does have an expiration. Like this one was good from July 9 to August 5. That's because the new box will be coming out. And then you open it up. Ooh, it smells fabulous. There's a can 2 shea butter leave-in conditioning repair cream. And it's 2 ounces. And it smells fabulous. Then there is Shea Moisture. It's a virgin coconut oil daily hydration leave-in treatment with coconut milk and acacia senegal. I could be like totally murdering that pronunciation. We don't know. It's to detangle, protect, and control frizz for all hair types. It's 3.3 fluid ounce, sulfate free, and color safe. So that's always nice. And cruelty free. It's got the bunny. Then there is Elastics No Damage Thick Hair by Skuncy. And I love these because there's no metal to it. And with my hair being curly, it's a good thing. There's Secret Clinical Strength. It's a soft solid, light and fresh, just a little sample size. See, it's just a little tiny. Well, that's on there good. Very good. And it smells really good. And it's one of those you can see by this top where it just kind of squeezes through. So it's like a solid, but it's soft. And then there is Palmer's Coconut Oil Formula with Vitamin E Conditioning Shampoo and Repairing Conditioner. These are 1.7 fluid ounce each. There's no sulfates, no parabens, no phthalates, no mineral oil, no gluten, no dyes. And that's those. So they're real good size. They're not like the foil packets. And then the last item in here is Aunt Jackie's Curls and Coils, which is handy for me. Flaxseed recipes don't shrink. It's flaxseed elongating curling gel. It's sulfate-free, paraben-free, no mineral oil, no petroleum. And it's got wheat protein as well. And all the little omega fatty acids that's really good for your hair. It's to prevent dryness and flaking. It just helps the curls. And it's 1.75 fluid ounce. I don't like that it's in the foil, but this is like full. And it just takes a small amount, so this will last me a while. And that's good. Then, my husband didn't want to come on camera, so I will be doing his box. And that's how the men's come. And again, you've got this card. Now, his coupon is already expired. Because I'm guessing this is a little bit of an older box. Because it was from June 4 to July 8. And then there's a Men's Degree Motion Sense Ultra Clear Black and White little deodorant. There's the Dove Men Plus Care Extra Fresh Invigorating Formula Body and Face Bar. It's a 3.17 ounce. And it says that it's a patented design with unique technology, a body and face bar developed for men's skin that thoroughly cleans skin without leaving it feeling dry or tight. Then there's this Method Men Cedar and Cypress Body Wash. It's 3.4 fluid ounce. So that's a good size sample. Then there's this little tiny Cremo All Season Body Wash, number 4, Blue Cedar and Cypress. It's a fluid ounce. I mean, it's a decent one, but it's not like a huge. And then there's Old Spice Pomade, medium hold and matte finish, and it's spiffy. But it's a real good size and very thick, as you can see. And being that my husband doesn't have long hair, that'll last forever. Then the last thing is this Nivea Cream Face, Body, and Hands. It's just in a little tin. And we've got a seal. And that smells really good too. And that's everything in the box for my husband. And I feel like I've got stuff all over my hands. So that'll be great. We're still gaining some viewers. And I hope it won't take too long to get the remaining amount, because I've got the giveaway coming up, and as soon as I get that number, because I'm gonna do it once I hit 200 subscribers. Once I hit that number, I'll do a video saying exactly what to do, because I haven't decided if I'm going to use Gleam or a random comment picker, or depending on how many people enter, I may just have my husband pick a name out of a box. I don't know yet. Or maybe I'll let one of my babies do it. I have 3. I have 2 hounds and a Labrador. But stay tuned. Hit the subscribe button and the little bell so it'll tell you when I upload videos. Hit the like button. Leave me a comment. Anything, critique, as long as everything's positive, and tell me what you would like to see. So until then, goodbye, my beauties.